And here for Thursday, we are continuing to practice some underlining skills, deciding which of the following selections under A and B are underlined correctly, and then write the letter of the correct choice in the blank. So, for example, number 1 has the name Better Homes and Gardens. So, Better Homes and Gardens is the name of a magazine. So that means it should be underlined. So you would pick B because B is underlined. And some of these might be a little bit confusing because you may not have heard of one of these shows or plays or books or ships, let's say. So I can definitely help you with that. However, notice if you ever see the name of a Bible chapter, we have a rule about that here. It says do not underline the Bible or books in the Bible. Genesis is the first book in the Bible. So one hint at least is if you see the name of a book in the Bible, it does not need to be highlighted. So for example, here for Genesis, this is underlined, so we would put B. We're not underlining or highlighting those. But if you need help with understanding if some of these are the names of books or not, or the names of plays or not, then we can do it together over Zoom. You can also Google it, but I am more than happy to have a small group on language. Then for Write C, you're going to write sentences on notebook paper, which include each of these names. So you're going to have to be just a little creative. You're going to have to find the name of a book, a ship, a newspaper, a painting, and a magazine. And all you're going to do is just write a sentence that includes those names and make sure that you underline it. Then here for Remember D, you're just going to underline the correct word in the sentence below. So this is going back to a previous unit, and very simply it has the two options in parentheses, so you're just going to underline one of the words in parentheses, whichever is the one that makes most sense. And for Thursday, for our last day of our review, you're going to unscramble the content words on top from chapters 25 through 29. So we have a key here with quite a few content words that we've learned. And you're just going to unscramble them from numbers 1 through 14, quite easy. And then here on the bottom, we have our vocabulary words that we've learned the past few chapters, and you're just going to use the shape boxes. And we're pretty good at doing shape boxes by now. Just make sure that you're paying attention to the tall letters, the long letters, and I's, which are dotted.